A particular SLR camera model was chosen for the design of the 3D CAD model. Different dimensions of the camera were taken, while different tasks were divided between each group member. Some started creating sketches using Inventor and creating a 3D model of the camera. While others were given the task of making the clay model. The camera was wrapped by cling film, then covered by a clay to create the cast. After that, wax was boiled, then poured in the clay cast. When the clay model was ready, the model was scanned and modified before assembling it in the 3D model made in Inventor. Several scans were made to have the best resolution of the clay model. An exploded 3D model was created to show how the parts are assembled and how they fit together.